If you need to reset your password on MEXC, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you through the process quickly and easily. Step 1. Visit the MEXC login page. Go to the official MEXC website and click on the login option. This will take you to the login page where you can find the password reset option. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your MEXC account. Make sure to input the correct email to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from MEXC. Follow the link provided in the email to proceed with resetting your password. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you click the link, you will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it before submitting the changes. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your MEXC account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to MEXC support for further assistance.